Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today our topic is going to be how to trade support and resistance. This is technical. This is for technical analysis. What is a forex support and resistance? Forex support and resistance are key concepts used in technical analysis to identify potential price levels where the market may pause, reverse, or continue a trend. So what do we mean by support? Support refers to the price level where there is a significant amount of buying activity. That's where you take your buys on a support. You don't take your sales on a support. On resistance, on the other hand, is a price level where there is a significant amount of selling activity. We sell on a resistance. Our support is a demand and our resistance is a supply. So that's how it works. And it's important to know that support and resistance levels are not exact, and price may not always bounce precisely at those levels. That's the reality of the market, that you might find that your support and resistance are being violated as the market moves. So you need to take that into accountability, that the market will not always turn on those levels. That's very important for you to know that. Now we're gonna go to the real chart and I'm gonna show you how to. Okay, now moving to the chart. Yes, a real candle chart, and we're gonna be looking at our support and resistance. And where do we find our resistance? This is our resistance. This is the resistance. For you to have a resistance, you must have a touch. This is the first touch, and this is the second touch. As I said, that the market will not always bounce around those levels. That's something that you need to know. This was our level here, and the market went down, came up and break this level, went up and then come back and again in this level. This was our resistant. This is a resistant. This is a resistant level. This was our resistant level. And on the bottom here, we have a support. Once you have a touch, you can predict where the market is going to touch next. That's very important. Once you have a touch, you can predict that the market, if it comes back to this level, it might bounce or not bounce. Remember that you buy on a support. So this was our support. This was our support level. Support level. This was our support level. And for you to take the second leg, you also have to take into consideration what candlestick patterns that are forming on the second leg. Let's zoom here for instance and see how was the market on this level here. How was the market on this level here? How did the market react? Your candles pattern, you should know your candles pattern. They're gonna also help you to know what is happening when the market come to the support level. The market came here, break this level here, it surpasses this level, it surpasses here, and after surpassing, it didn't take long for market to reverse and go back up there inside the support level. So this is something that you need to counter on. And okay, let's move on to the next, support and resistance. Let's look at this level here. We had our resistance here where the market turned and went down. The market went down and decided to come to this level. But what happened when the market came back to this level? The market decided to surpass this level and retest this level here, come back again on this level, up again on the what? On the resistance, the market came and retest again and decided to go up, to go down, apologies, and went down. So this is how you do your support and resistance. You need a touch so that you can predict the next touch. And here's another example of support and resistance. We had this resistance that the market made. This was a touch market made, went down, and when the market went down, it came back to this level here again, to this resistance. It came back to this level, but what happened this time? The market break through. As I said, that the support and resistance, they are not always going to work out, so you should be looking out for your candles. What is happening here on the support and resistance? What are the candlestick patterns that are forming on your support and resistance? And here's another example. Now let's look when the market was going up. Okay, and then here's what happened when the market was going up. The market was going down here, gave us this touch here, and then the market decided to go up and then came back to this level, violated this level, and came back up with a what? With a bullish engulfing. The candle pattern that was formed here was a bullish engulfing that pushed the market up back to the support level, and then the market went up. So this is how support and resistance works. On this instant, again, we had a support on this level. We had a support on this level where the market went up. This was a support. The market went up, come down again, break that support. So you should also know where your market is, so that you know if the support and resistance is going to be broken or to resist. But you also look at the candlestick, what is happening when the market reaches that support and resistance level. And you know that if you are trading your support and resistance here, if this was your support, you know that this, if you were taking your trade, if this was your bullish engulfing was your confirmation, you know that you were going to take your trade here, and below it, below your bullish engulfing, that's where you put your stop loss. That if market ever do something like this, or it fails here after taking your entries, come back here, this is where you want to leave your entries. This is how you take your support and resistance trades. And the last one here, let's make another one for resistance here. Okay, another one for support. Here is a support, the first touch. Okay, touch, and what happened here? This was a support. The market came here but didn't touch it exactly. This is what you have to counter on. This is the reality. And then the market went up, come back again to this level, and then touched this level. And what happened when the market touched this level? It touched it with the double bottom here, and then the market started to go up. So this is something that you need to take into consideration when you are trading your support and resistance. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.